Hey guys, Hunter here with Injected Motorsports. We are installing FireWire LEDs 360 safety lighting kit, and then they also added a 49-inch bar, light bar that goes, strobe bar that goes under the tailgate on the windshield, and they had a 50-inch for the front windshield and the 49 is the rear. I just kind of walk you through a couple little things on these. This is a 2023 Ford Tremor. And we'll just go from there and kind of show you a couple things. Thanks, guys. Alright, so standard box gives you your switch if you want to use their switch, connectors, ground and hot connector, extra wire if you want to run it through the cab. You'll need that. You just take that wire sheath off. That's your strobe controller. Comes with 4 10-foot extensions. I recommend, especially on longer pickups, I would recommend for this, if you're doing side steps or the side mounts for sure, at least 2 extensions per side, and then probably another 2 or possibly 3 from the rear of the tailgate, depending on your configuration. So remember to get extra because they only come with 4. And then also, if you're doing like this fleet is, they're running 6 LEDs. So you'll run, this one's a 32, this is what goes into the bumper, but on this one, like we did it on the rear underneath the tailgate because they wanted the smaller one on the rear. And the 49 went on the front of the grill. Like I said, we'll show you all these. And then you got your 62, and we also got the side rails to protect it. Just drill it into the pinch weld, go from there. Like I said, that's, you'll need another additional splitter. I can show you guys that. So here's your main splitter. So it comes with 4 for the standard kit. If you're running 6 lights, you'll need an additional splitter. So you plug it in here. This is your hot and ground, and I'll show you on this truck too. It's actually kind of neat because it has pre-ran auxiliary switches into the cab, and they're hot under the hood, so you don't have to run a switch into the cab. On this truck, you'll look at your truck's wiring diagram. Now on this truck, it's actually under info center. It's the purple and green wire, that's auxiliary 1 for the switch inside, so you tie your hot there, ground it out either to the truck or the battery, and that'll give you power to all the strobes. Just it's all to the light itself, the switch inside. Here's the extra, there's the extra splitter, so you just tie it into one of the pigtails down here on the splitter, and then you'll get an extra 4. So total you can have up to 7 lights on this. On 2 splitters, you can have 7. Anyways, yeah, you have to take the battery tray out, and the battery just easier to access because it is way tucked up under here. This truck's, like I said, it's a 2023 Tremor. It's the red taped up loom. Like I said, it'll tell you in your info center as well. It's pretty neat. We run them in through here in your little grommet, and you run it incognito all the way across. Like I said, we'll show you each individual light here in a second, but that's just showing you the wiring. You just run it, fish it up through here like this, make sure it's not hitting the engine or anything else, and just fish it up, plug it in, tie everything up, and then we'll show you kind of how we mounted the sides and in the rear.